The Nature of Thought. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Thought, as conceptualised within the Theosophical framework, transcends the mere act of cognition. It embodies a dynamic, formative force that participates in the ongoing construction of reality. In Blavatsky's writings, thoughts are described not as fleeting mental images, but as energetic vibrations with persistence and direction, capable of leaving an imprint on both subtle and material planes. This view rests on metaphysical principles that hold consciousness as a formative factor in the unfolding of phenomena. The observer does not merely register reality, but helps to co-create it through attention, intention, and imaginative activity. From this standpoint, thinking acquires ethical weight. Because thoughts carry force, they can contribute to beneficial or harmful karmic patterns, influence personal destiny, and subtly condition the collective field of consciousness. Thus, mental discipline, the cultivation of altruistic intentions, and the transformation of destructive thought habits become central spiritual practices, since they are seen as means of steering the moral and ontological currents that shape individual and communal life.